This is my last update on how to grow late season cucumbers. Hello gardening friends, I am Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is November the 17th. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the end of my late season cucumbers. Stay till the end and I'll put a link to the whole series up here in the corner. And I'll put a link over here to a video that YouTube says you will like, and in the bottom here of course is the subscribe link. If you're not subscribed, why not? If you're interested in growing nutrient dense food in an urban environment, click on the subscribe and click on the bell to get notified so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's turn the camera around and look at our cucumbers. Where are the cucumbers? We had 2 days last week that were in the 20s, so our cucumbers have pretty much died and withered. You can hardly even see the vine. So I did not get a single cucumber off of this. So there's a couple things that we could do. We could start our cucumbers inside in some seed trays a couple weeks before the end of the hot weather. This year it stayed really hot all summer, and then it was super dry too. So it was very bad conditions for growing, for starting seeds. And then it pretty much went from hot to cold really quickly. So we didn't have a whole lot of fall weather. So that's one reason why I think these failed. If I would have started them inside, I would have got a lot more weeks head start, and I might have been able to get some fruit. But we only got about 4 months till I can start growing them. I might start seedlings inside for cucumbers this year. I've never done that before, but I think that might be what I need to do for my growing conditions here in North Carolina Zone 7B, because we have so much humidity and so much hotness that the vines really get diseased and they die pretty quickly when the heat comes out. And I also could do some sprays to take care of the fungus. I think Callie Kim uses a milk spray to keep the fungus off of her cucumbers and other vines. So that would be an option too. Alright, so that's the end. I would say it was a failure. But up here I'll put a video, link to the video series of the whole series of planting fall cucumbers. And over here, of course, will be a video that YouTube says you like. And down here, the flower with the bee is the link so you can subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Alright, have a blessed day, and I will see you again real soon. I'm just going 20 seconds here so you can pick your video that you want to watch next. I could have picked these and put them in the house and let them ripen, and some people put them in a cardboard box in some brown paper, and they say they have tomatoes up to Christmas. But I didn't get them before they got frost, so now it's too late to do that.